chicken soup. It's loved by many, and I'm going to do a pretty classic one, but change it up at the end by adding a little bit of light sour cream. This gives it a beautiful velvety finish. So to start with, those classic flavors, I've got 2 finely chopped carrots. This is going to give it sweetness. It's going to give the soup body. Just a small glug of extra virgin olive oil, and in with the carrots while I chop up some of the other vegetables. Now, you can use onion. I love the flavour of leek. It's milder in flavour, it's sweet, and it's fantastic with the chicken. So I'm just going to roughly chop this. Leeks need a good wash because, as you know, they grow in the ground and they can tend to be quite muddy when you bring them back from the shop. So give them a really good wash, and then you've got this glorious sweet leek. Go all the way down to the base because the sweetest part is the white part. And I actually keep the darker part of the leek too and use it for a stock. Okay, so in with our leek, and the heat will start coming up now. We just want a gentle sizzle. 2 sticks of celery, and just down the rib we're just going to cut strips. This is just the easiest way to cut them into small little cubes. Gather them together, cut in half, and then finally chop that. It's going to again transform, and when it's cooked long and slow, turns into this really sweet addition to the soup. And we'll pop that in. 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to bruise them and really roughly chop it. And you could use many varieties of hard herbs here. Thyme works a treat. Sage and chicken, also wonderful. Some rosemary, or just some classic bay leaves. I've got some fresh bay leaves today, but you could also use some dry bay leaves if you've got them in your pantry. So coat everything in the oil, and we'll just let that sweat off. So you could use a whole chicken for this, or you could speed it up by using some chicken drumsticks. They're also super economical. So I've just got a pack of chicken drumsticks. It's a darker meat. You can see the bones in there. So it will give this soup loads of flavour. So in they go. We don't need to colour them at all. I'm not going to season it at this stage because I'm going to add some stock and also some mustard. So we'll taste it at the end and then season. So just a little stock. I'm just using some chicken stock. Just cover that with the stock. And I like to also add some water just to really cover all that and make it extra soupy. So lots of water, and just ensure that the chicken is submerged. Once this has come up to the boil, we'll turn it down to a gentle simmer. Lid goes on. It's going to cook for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until the meat is meltingly tender. Soup's cooked, and you can see that I've just been shredding the chicken. This is my favourite part. I find it very therapeutic. The meat just falling off the bone. I've just removed all of the fat, and any of those sharp bones, just like that one, just keep to the side. And that's our chicken shredded. 5 chicken drumsticks. Look how much meat we get for this soup. Just right. Okay, before we put this back into the soup, this is where we're going to introduce the creaminess of this chicken soup. In a bowl, I'll add some Dijon mustard. So I like to use Dijon as opposed to a seeded mustard. And for the light sour cream, it's got a slight tang to it. It's not too heavy. It's just right for this. So you only need about a heaped tablespoon. And the reason I'm mixing this in a bowl is because I don't want any lumps in this. So we're going to mix up the Dijon and the light sour cream. Just get all those lumps out. In fact, you could just use a whisk for this. And before I add it to the soup, just for extra assurance, just some of that broth. It smells so good. And we'll add that to our cream mixture. And then again, just loosen that up. There'll be no lumps at all. Okay, this is still on a gentle simmer, so we'll just stir that creamy mixture throughout the soup. Add a little bit more to it just to clean out the bowl. Give that a bit of a jiggle. And there you go. Oh, look at that, a hearty soup indeed. So all we need to do is just return our chicken, scrape all that down and fold that through, And I still haven't had a taste of this just to check the seasoning. So just have a little taste, see if it needs a bit of salt. Oh, that is just delicious. We'll just ladle a few generous spoonfuls into a bowl, getting an even amount of that chicken, veg, and loads of that creamy broth over the top. A few more pieces of that chicken. And just to really freshen it up, the addition of some parsley. So a few sprigs of parsley, just the leaves, we'll break that off, scrunch it up, and we'll just finely chop that. Just a small amount. Sprinkle that over the top. There you go, chicken soup, but with that addition of the light sour cream and the mustard, it just makes it extra velvety, extra rich. That is a delightful winter soup right there.